myself Prajwol, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to speed up your video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Along with speeding up the video, I'm going to show you how to make frame hold, how to add frame hold in video, similarly how to implement slow motion effect in a video. So yeah, let's begin. It's a very quick tutorial. So I'm going to shift with the slow-mo video. So yeah, you want to slow your video. I just want to trim it from here to here. So I want this portion to be a slower video. So simply right click and go to speed duration. So okay, the video will be slower by 50% on the shift and spacebar. Now I want to make this video frame hold. Now again, cut at this point. So I hope you definitely trim the video. Simply take this one, razor tool, see, here's the shortcut. So now, again right click and speed duration. Let's say 300. Okay. Now again, in this position, I want to frame hold. So press Shift and the right arrow key, because it will move right side. Play head by 5 frames. Shift and right arrow key. You remember, guys? So yeah. After this, I want to cut in this position again. Shift and right arrow key. Just cut at this position again. The follow same step. Yeah. I want to frame hold. Simply click on frame hold. Will be holded. Again, 5 frames. 5 frame hold. Again, 5 frames. And frame hold. So yeah. Now these 3 videos are frame holding. So it's okay now. I want to scale this one a little bit up. Okay. This one also up. And rotate it like this here. Now I want to again speed up its duration, or even I've already speeded up the duration, so I want to reverse the speed. In this case, I'll follow film sampling. So now let's select the clips. Control A is the shortcut, and just the question mark. Control Shift and space bar. Now it's a slow motion from video. It's a fast motion. It's a reverse. So, I hope you found this tutorial well. So guys, if you found this tutorial good, then give us a support me, because I desperately need the support. So that's it for now. I'll be back very soon with creative tutorial. So until then, keep supporting this channel and definitely be creative.